Hello, YouTube. Today, is December 16, 2007. I just wanted to do a video about my web design. About my Stop Snoring website. Okay, if you hear, beeps in the background, that's just my antivirus going crazy. Don't know why, but oh well. Anyways, so I was just wondering, or want to do a video about my Stop Snoring Biz.com. See, on my homepage, there's products. Of course, I can't update them because I don't know, but on the the home page, if you scroll down, you see all those products. So feel free to simply try them out, and let me know how they do, how they work. Anyways, thank you, and that's it. Please like, subscribe, and share. Well, actually, I prefer likes and share. Let's just hold off on the subscribing part, cause yeah, no one does anymore anyways. So let's just like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for helping me out with that. Oh, one more thing. I don't have any editing control over this, so when I get control over my ownership of the website again, I'm gonna be making a donation page. That's gonna be part 2 of the video. Donation page, so you guys can donate. Of course, 50% goes to St. Jude's Children Research Center, so they can, save children's lives with cancer. But then the other part's or 50% is going to my servers, so I can host your guys' websites if needed. And of course, once I get enough hosting and then computers and all that, of course, the charges is gonna be low. Charges is gonna be like $1 per month, maybe $2 max, $3 max, something like that. It's gonna be really low per month, because I don't believe in having high, prices for, for hosting. Anyways, now I can add you guys' website to my hosting package on my hosting provider, but that's gonna cost you like $10, $20 per month. So, why pay that much when you can go to other places and get it cheaper? See what I'm saying? That's why I don't think you guys be happy with the solution right now, which is me adding your website on my hosting account. But that's why it's better for everyone if I take the donation money 50% and buy servers with it, then put the other 50% towards St. Jude's. So it's up to you guys. You can donate to me on PayPal. My PayPal email is billybristolwebdesign@gmail.com. So you can donate on using my email, or you can wait till I regain access to my um, main account and just put in a Facebook or a PayPal button. Then you can just pay that way. It's easier that way. Or I guess you can send a check or money order to my place, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, it's up to you guys. I don't really care. It's just up to you guys. I'm just sorry that I can't, put help you guys out now or do anything to my site. Anyways, like I said, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and have a nice day. Bye.